Okay friends, now it's time to get started on your transfer case speed sensor. You can easily access it right up through this area right here, but for me personally, I prefer to take down this shield. It gives me a lot more room. That's what I'm going to do. To remove this shield, you're going to find that you have 3 mounting bolts and then 2 mounting nuts down at the far end. Remove the shield. All right, there it is, friends. Now the next thing we need to do is remove the wiring harness from it. You're going to find that there's 2 pull tabs, one right here and one on the far side. Just go ahead and pull those away from the sensor and then draw it away. There we go. Anytime I remove an electrical connector, I always like to inspect it. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and needs to be dealt with. This one looks great, so we'll set it aside. Now we can continue on by removing our speed sensor. Now I'm going to use a 1-inch socket and remove this. There it is, friends. With the sensor out of there, let's continue on by inspecting and cleaning the area. Make sure there's no dirt or debris anywhere around that area. Now it's going to be time to put on our brand new sensor. Something that we want to pay attention to is this area right here where there's a little rubber gasket. Make sure it's there. Once you're sure it is, let's continue on by putting it in. To start, I'm going to do it just by hand until it bottoms out, and then we'll snug it up with our socket and ratchet. Okay, so that's bottomed out. Just give it a little bit more. We don't need to break it off. Perfect. Now let's grab our wiring and connect it in. Press it right in, listen for a click, and give it a tug, just to ensure it's completely in there. If you removed your shield, make sure you put it back up. I'm going to start in all my bolts and my nuts, and then I'll snug them up. All you have left to do now is get your truck back on the ground. Start it up and make sure you don't have any strange lights on the dash. After that, take it for a road test.